Inner Evolution: How Consciousness Rewrites Biology, a Mastery narration script. What if everything you were told about your body was incomplete? What if your genes were not your destiny, your diagnosis not your future, and your limits not written in DNA? For over a century, we were taught a simple story: that biology controls us, that genes dictate who we become, that evolution happens slowly, blindly, without choice. But a new understanding is emerging, one that says evolution didn't stop with the body. It moved inward. This is the story of inner evolution. Chapter 1. Empowered Genetics. For most of modern history, genes were seen as dictators. If you had the gene, you had the fate. Disease, behavior, intelligence, all pre-written. But biology discovered something revolutionary. Genes are not self-directing. They are instructions, waiting for a signal, and that signal comes from the environment. Not just the physical world, but your internal environment, your stress, your beliefs, your emotional state, your perception of life. Your genes do not turn themselves on or off. They respond. You are not controlled by your biology. You are participating in it. Chapter 2. Debunking Evolutionary Myths. We were told evolution is survival of the fittest, that life advances through competition, domination, violence. But nature tells a different story. Cells survive through cooperation. Ecosystems thrive through balance. The most successful organisms are not the strongest. They are the most adaptable. Fear-based models of evolution shaped fear-based societies. But life does not evolve through war. It evolves through harmony. Chapter 3. Perception Shapes Reality. At the smallest scales of nature, something strange appears. Matter behaves differently when observed. This doesn't mean thoughts magically bend atoms. It means perception changes response. Your nervous system does not react to reality. It reacts to your interpretation of reality. Two people can experience the same event. One enters growth, the other enters survival. The event didn't change. The perception did. Chapter 4. It's a matter of energy. Before the body is chemical, it is electrical. Before it is electrical, it is energetic. Stress is not just a feeling, it is a biological command. When the body perceives threat, growth shuts down. Digestion slows. Repair halts. Immunity weakens. You cannot heal while the body believes it is under attack. Healing requires safety. Love is not poetic. It is physiological. Chapter 5. The Intelligence of the Cell. Each of your cells has awareness, not consciousness as we define it, but perception. The cell membrane reads the environment. It processes signals. It makes decisions. DNA does not decide. Information does. You are not a machine driven by code. You are a living network responding to meaning. Chapter 6. Controlling Expression. What you eat matters. How you sleep matters. Who you surround yourself with matters. But even more, how you experience your life matters. The same lifestyle lived in fear creates a different biology than when lived in safety. Genes express differently when the body feels supported. Change the signal, and expression changes. Chapter 7. The Subconscious Program. Your conscious mind sets goals. Your subconscious runs behavior. Most of your life operates on autopilot, programmed before age 7. These programs were not chosen. They were absorbed. And the subconscious does not respond to logic. It responds to repetition, emotion, safety. That is why willpower fails. You cannot outthink a program. You must rewrite it. Chapter 8. The Honeymoon Effect. When people fall in love, something strange happens. Illness disappears. Energy increases. Sleep improves. Life feels effortless. This is not magic. It is biology outside of survival mode. The body thrives when it feels safe, connected, alive. The tragedy is not that the honeymoon ends. It's that we were never taught how to live in that state. Chapter 9. Manifestation, redefined thoughts do not change reality. States do. A fearful identity creates fearful choices. A coherent identity creates aligned action. You don't attract what you want, you enact what you are being. Change the state. Behavior follows. Outcomes change. Chapter 10. Immunity and ecology. You are not a single organism. You are an ecosystem. Trillions of microbes live with you, not against you. Health is not war. It is balance. When stress dominates, immunity weakens. When harmony returns, resilience follows. The body does not fight life. It supports it, when allowed. Chapter 11. Aging and meaning. Aging is not just time, it is wear. Stress accelerates decay. Purpose slows it. People who love their lives age differently. Not because they deny death, but because they are engaged with life. The body listens to meaning. Chapter 12. Fractals and harmony. Nature repeats itself. From galaxies, to cells, to societies. When patterns fall out of harmony, systems collapse. Humanity is not broken, it is misaligned. Inner coherence scales outward. Order begins within. Chapter 13. Conscious evolution. Evolution used to happen slowly, blindly. Now something new is occurring. For the first time, a species can observe itself, question itself, reprogram itself. This is conscious evolution, not forcing change, but becoming aware enough to allow it. Closing, final 2 minutes. Inner evolution is not becoming someone new. It is removing what you were never meant to be. Your biology is listening. Your cells are responding. Change the signal. Change the state. Change the world. This is Master I.